If you're seeing Chrome error 429, don't worry, because in this video I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing normally. Error 429 usually means too many requests were sent to a website, which can happen for a few different reasons, but the good news is that it's usually easy to solve. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and try refreshing the web page. You can click the refresh button at the top or simply press F5 on your keyboard. In many cases, error 429 is temporary and a simple refresh is enough to load the page again. If the website is limiting requests for a short time, refreshing after a moment may be all it takes. If that doesn't work, the next thing to do is wait a few minutes and try again. Some websites temporarily block requests when they detect too many visits in a short period of time. So instead of repeatedly refreshing over and over, give it a little time. Wait a few minutes, then open the website again and see if the limit has reset automatically. Now let's move on to your internet connection. Restarting your router can sometimes help because it refreshes your network connection and may give you a new IP address. To do this, turn off your Wi-Fi router and modem, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. Once the connection is restored, try visiting the website again in Chrome. If the error is still there, restart Google Chrome completely. Close the browser fully, make sure every Chrome window is shut down, then open it again. This can clear temporary browser sessions and remove small glitches that may be causing the problem. After reopening Chrome, go back to the website and test it again. Another very useful fix is clearing your Chrome cache and cookies. Over time, stored files can become corrupted or outdated, and that can sometimes trigger error 429. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Then click Delete Data. After that, reload the website and check whether the issue is gone. If the page still isn't working, check your extensions. Some browser extensions can send too many requests in the background, especially VPN tools, auto-refresh extensions, or automation bots. To manage them, click the three dot menu in Chrome, go to Extensions, and then open Manage Extensions. From there, disable anything that might be causing repeated requests, especially VPN extensions, auto-refresh tools, or anything designed to automate browsing. Finally, if you use a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. Shared VPN IP addresses often trigger error 429 because the website may see lots of traffic coming from the same IP. Disabling the VPN or proxy can help you connect more normally and avoid rate limits. Once it's off, refresh the website and see if Chrome loads it correctly. So to quickly recap, if you get Chrome error 429, refresh the page, wait a few minutes, restart your router, restart Chrome, clear cache and cookies, disable suspicious extensions, and turn off any VPN or proxy. One of these steps usually fixes the problem fast. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.